Thanks for staying with us. Why did the Union Fertilizer Minister and the DMK's Southern strongman M.K. Aragiri reportedly skip the post-lunch session of the General Council? Well, that was the big question during the rounds at the DMK headquarters. Is it a fallout of the Cold War between Aragiri and his younger brother Stalin, the DMK's heir apparent? Our political reporter Shabir Ahmed brings you this inside story.
Would Aragiri walk away from his ministerial berth at the centre and formally express his wish to return to state politics? And would his younger sister Kanimozhi take over that mantle? All eyes were on this man at the DMK's highest decision-making body, the General Council. But the agenda of the meet was quite clear, and supporters of the party's southern satrap had to go home disappointed. Aragiri had other reasons to feel upset.
He was not even seated on the dais. A very senior man, elder to even Stalin in age. He was not even seated on the dais.
Aragiri's loyalists say that their leader was apparently upset as the DMK General Council failed to adopt a resolution acknowledging his role in the party.
The General Council had adopted two resolutions, one congratulating Deputy Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and the other praising Kanimozhi for successfully conducting Chennai Sangamam. Aragiri was probably miffed over the removal of several banners at the party headquarters erected by the All India M.K. Aragiri Peravai, addressing him as the future Prime Minister.
நம்மளுடைய விரோதிகள் என்று சொல்லலாம். ஆனால் நம்ம கட்சிக்காரங்க யாரும் அப்படி செய்யலை. அவர்கள் அந்த பேனரை திருப்பி வச்சிருக்காங்க. கிழிக்கலை, திருப்பி வச்சிருக்காங்க. ஒரு சில இடத்துல அந்த இது இழுக்கும்போது அந்த இது உடைஞ்சிருக்கும். அதுதான் நாங்கள் இப்போ போலீஸ் கமிஷனரோட கூட கம்ப்ளைண்ட் கொடுக்கலாம்னு நினைக்கிறோம்.
Giving a clean chit to his son Aragiri, the DMK patriarch dismissed the banners as the handiwork of mischievous elements.
தாங்கள் செய்த தவறுக்காக மன்னிப்பு கேட்டுக்கொண்டார்கள். இப்போது தமிழ்நாட்டில் பேரவைகள் என்ற பெயரால் பிளவு ஏற்படுத்த சில முயற்சிகள், சில தூண்டுதல்கள் நடைபெறுகின்றன. அதற்கெல்லாம் அழகிரிக்கும் சம்பந்தம் இல்லை.
As the DMK's strong man is likely to give up his job at Delhi to play a bigger role in Tamil Nadu politics, there seems to be yet another storm brewing in the DMK camp. In Chennai with Shabir Ahmed, Ramanathan, NDTV Hindu.
In the run-up to the budget, NDTV got a chance to meet the Finance Minister exclusively to hand over the dream budgets drafted by 4 of India's top business schools, especially for NDTV's show B School Budget.
NDTV got 4 of India's top business schools to present what they think would be a dream budget. And as promised, we are here to hand over all of those proposals to the Finance Minister. Well, usually we journalists aren't entertained inside North Block ahead of the budget. But Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee has been very kind to make some time for us to take a look at these proposals. Thank you so much for sparing time. This is actually, we did a contest called B School Budget. So business school, we invited 4 top business schools, IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, XLRI Jamshedpur and ISB Hyderabad, to present what they think is a dream budget. And they actually came out with some wonderful proposals, and we hope you can actually incorporate some of these. It's not too late to incorporate these some very interesting proposals and ideas, government to government swap of agricultural commodities. These are the young, bright minds of the country, future leaders who are actually coming up with ideas. One word in which you can describe this year's budget, one adjective that would describe the budget.
That will have to be done only after 26.
As promised, we managed to hand over all the 4 presentations to the Finance Minister that were made in the B School Budget, the first of its kind television show on NDTV, and we're really hoping that the Finance Minister will be able to incorporate at least some of these. But to watch this very special show and what those presentations really entail, you have to tune in to NDTV 24/7 for the B School Budget on Sunday at 10 p.m.
Well, come 26th, then we'll know what made its way to the budget 2010. Still ahead on the late night news, all eyes were on the finish line for those who ran today at the city's marathon.